telling reporters there was
The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Grand Forks County in northeastern North Dakota, southeastern Nelson County in northeastern North Dakota, northeastern Griggs County in southeastern North Dakota, northern Steele County in southeastern North Dakota, until 2 a.m. At 1:24 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along a line extending from Cloten to near Annetta to near Finley, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Northwood, Golden Lake, Finley, Annetta, Sharon, Cloten, and Logan Center. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.